We're here at the Tampa Bypass Canal where our survey consultant partner is conducting hydrographic surveys along the canal. This is part of our ongoing effort post-Hurricane Milton. My name is Orlandi Guzman. I am a professional surveyor and mapper with the Southwest Florida Water Management District. So we are using multi-beam echo sounding sensors to scan and map the canal bottom. These scans will provide detailed information about the current canal's condition. Hydrographic surveying basically entails measuring depths from a water elevation. The Tampa Bypass Canal is designed to divert floodwaters from the Hillsborough River around the cities of Tampa and Temple Terrace. In 2024, the Tampa Bypass Canal was activated twice for Hurricane Debbie and Hurricane Milton. At its peak, the Tampa Bypass Canal moved 7.2 billion gallons of water per day after Hurricane Milton. The current scope for this project is to map the canal bottom from Morris Bridge all the way to McKay Bay, consisting in about 15 miles of canal. We're trying to assess if there has been any scour or any type of movement, any sediment accumulation that can impair the water flow or the conveyance capabilities. Our consultant will also perform change detection analysis, where they'll compare our current acquisition with previous survey data. This comparison helps us understand if any significant changes have occurred in the canal bottom. Having a detailed 3D model of the canal bottom offers significant advantages for risk flood management. This level of detail supports accurate modeling of the canal's conveyance capacity, helping engineers and other professionals at the district make informed decisions. This project directly supports the district's mission to minimize flood risk and protect the communities we serve.